ज्यादा बोल दी तो ये आलू का कट नहीं करूंगा।
As we all know that many practices have been prevalent in our society for a very long time, and today I am here to share my thoughts on topic custom. So hello everyone, this is Nitya. Very good morning to all friends and respected personality who all are presented over here. So first I want to speak about a dark chapter, the practice of sati. So this was such custom in which a widow was forced to burn on her husband's funeral pyre. So this practice was considered a symbol of purity, and but in reality this was a cruel practice which would take away all women's right to live. After death of her husband, women's life was considered worthless. But Raja Ram Mohan Rai and British Governor General Lord William Bentinck banned the practice of sati in 1829. So the second I want to speak about about harmful social custom that still affects many children in our country. That was bal vivaah or child marriage. Bal vivaah is the most harmful social custom in our country. Is this practice of marriage of children at a very young age, because often before they are mentally and physically ready for marriage, and this practice was especially harmful for girls and who were forced to leave their school and and take on responsibilities far beyond their age, and their life was and their life was destroyed in child age. So the third I want to speak about the practice of dowry. Dowry custom has been prevalent in our society for a very long time, and dowry is when the groom's family demands money from the bride's family, and bride's family gives money or gifts to the groom's family. Dowry is a big problem for many families, and they may harass her, then they can't give it, and this practice promotes gender inequality. So I want to ask you some question. All practice and customs are made for girls. Why? And still the girls are called weak. Why? And yet in today's time, girls are not given equal treatment as boys. You know, girls are suffer a lot, but if you ask girls, then they all still wants to born as boys in our next life. Why? So in the end we need to prevent the development of prevents. Thank you.
अच्छा, आप लोग यह सोचते हो कि गर्ल्स पावर या गर्ल्स एम्पावर या गर्ल्स हरेसमेंट के बारे में ज़्यादातर बातें की जा रही है। आप भी तो लड़कों के पक्ष को रख सकते हो, लेकिन आप लोग बोलते ही नहीं हो, यहाँ तक आते ही नहीं। समस्या तो कुछ ऐसी है ना, आपके तौर पे आप बोल सकते हो, सोचो उसके बारे में।